Hi, welcome to Precision Turbo Talks. My name is Grant Gorham, and today we're going to be discussing turbine housing AR options. One of our most common questions is, which AR housing should I choose for my turbocharger? One of the most important things that I try to tell my customers or consumers is that the AR option is simply a tool for fine-tuning the turbocharger. The proper turbocharger selection is most important and will allow you to have the ability to tune the spool characteristics and the flow characteristics of the application after you've properly chosen both the turbocharger and housing. If you look here, we have three different AR options for the same exact turbocharger. We have a 1.0, a 115, and a 132. This number indicates the larger the area over radius is of the volute. Although physically or externally they're the same size, internally they are all different. The larger the number is, the more flow you have. The smaller the number is, the less flow you have, but quicker spool characteristics you'll have of the application. Some common indications of having the incorrect AR sizing would be excessive back pressure. This can be found by logging your actual back pressure of the turbine side. If you have an excessive amount of back pressure, increasing your AR size will help alleviate that and allow the application to make more power. If you're having a situation where the characteristics of spool are a little laggy or slow and you'd like the application to be a little bit more peppy or quicker spooling, a smaller AR might be a good alternative for you versus the larger. Selecting the proper AR size can be tricky, and as always, we have a full staff here willing to assist you. This has been Precision Turbo Talks. Thank you for watching.